To manage the elements of a particular page, first select the page in the page stack. That page's properties panel and element stack will be displayed. You may find that a page's element stack may not be able to display all of the elements that are included on the selected page. Like pages, the element stack becomes scrollable to allow you to access the complete list of elements for editing and reordering. You can use your mouse wheel to scroll through the element stack, or you can use the scrolling paddles. These specially designed paddles work like the up and down arrows on a typical scroll bar and track your mouse's position within the element stack to give you convenient scrolling access. Click and hold the up scrolling paddle to scroll up and the down scrolling paddle to scroll down. You can reorder the page elements by dragging them within the element stack. The highlighting cursor will indicate where the element you are currently dragging will be placed when you let it go. Once you release the element, the page preview will update to show the results of your element reorder. If the element stack is too large to be displayed on screen in its entirety, you can use the scrolling paddles while dragging your element to scroll. The scrolling paddles were specifically designed to help you scroll to the area you wish to place the element and cause the element stack to scroll at a comfortable pace. Like page items, page elements have an options panel that is displayed when the element is selected for editing or becomes available when you mouse over elements that are not selected. The options panel includes the on-off switch, clipboard button, and delete button. As with pages, the on-off switch is used to turn an element in a page on or off. The elements that are turned on, indicated by an illuminated power button, are available to the public. Elements that are off can be edited, moved, and manipulated the same way as elements that are on. They are just not seen by the public. You will notice that elements that are off appear to be grayed out in the page preview instead of removed entirely. This is so you can see the elements to edit them so they are just right before you release them to the public. Selecting the clipboard option will move the element to the bottom of the clipboard. Selecting the delete option will delete the element from your page. This action can't be undone, and you will lose all the data stored in the element. Only use this function if you do not intend to use the content on another page or at a later date. Blueprint includes a clipboard that can be used to manage page elements just like on regular pages with some differences. Page elements in the clipboard don't appear to the public whether they are on or off. The clipboard has its own element stack that works just like the page element stack. New page elements can be added to it by dragging them into its stack. Elements can be edited and managed just like in the page stack. When in the Page Element Management mode, both the Page Element Stack and the Clipboard Stack are visible. You can drag page elements from the clipboard to the Page Element Stack and vice versa. This is especially effective for moving stack elements from page to page. Simply move all the elements you want to move to another page to the clipboard by dragging them, or by using the clipboard button on the page elements themselves. Load another page, switch to Page Element Management mode, and drag elements from the clipboard to the selected page's elements stack to add them. The page preview will update when this occurs. Page Element Management mode is also activated anytime a page element is saved in either the Page Element Stack or the Clipboard Element Stack.